Hello guys, and welcome back to this new video. Today we are going to be creating my channel trailer video using Canva. So in this new video we're going to be creating the channel trailer for our video. So we are going to be using Canva, and Canva has many setups. So we are going to choose video in the landing page. So we are going to choose video, and we are going to start by creating our welcome page. That's intro. So the intro will be just our logo, and the logo will have some animation. So we will make the animation to fade in, so you can give it some attention. So when somebody look at it, you can have attention to it. So we are going to make our logo to fade in, and we are going to choose a new background for the intro video. We are going to choose a new background image, and we are going to reduce the opacity of that image so that it should be less pronounced. So after doing our intro, we are going to do the second phase of our trailer. Will be saying what our channel is concerned about. So our channel is concerned about design and tech. So I'm going to display design and tech, and I will change the font family. Usually I saw a font family that was pleasing to me, so that's why I changed, and I use playlist scripts for my fonts for the logo for the second phase. So I use playlist script. So after that, we are going to put a little fragrance downward on our video, so you can show what our video is all about. So we're going to do that by adding a little fragrance detect all down in our video, so that it can be seen. So the third part of our video will be the schedule, how much time I'll be publishing a week. So I usually love publishing every Monday, Wednesday and Saturday, because usually on Monday people may have the time to watch videos. So we're going to publish on Monday, Wednesday and Saturday. So the 3 days I've chosen for the publishing schedule. So, and we are going to put an image background behind our text. We're going to put an image background so that it can give some light to our schedule period. And afterward, we are going to do the outro. The outro will be just the logo with a different color, so a different fonts family. The font family will be Montserrat, so we are using the logo, and we're going to write a little text below that saying to don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and reminding don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that it can grow and have many subscribers, and don't forget to share the video. So for the font family, we are going to use for the text below our detect will be Satisfy. I usually love using Satisfy because it's simple and it doesn't make disappear the text on its own. So that's all for this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share the video with people who love design, people who love technology, and who will love to learn and have the ability to know more. So goodbye and see you next.